5 volts 50A Electric Car Lithium Battery Charge Discharge Testing and Balance Repair Machine. Lithium Battery Charge Discharge Testing and Balance Maintenance Tester DT5050 can be used for capacity test, charge characteristic test, capacity grading and matching. Balance maintenance, internal resistance test of various types of Li-ion batteries, Ni-MH batteries, Ni-CD batteries. The isolation channel testing design can determine the location of the defective cells without disassembly the battery pack. It's suitable for lithium battery testing, maintenance, battery pack assembly and EV battery repair, rebuilding, etc. Online test between computer and device, the setting and result is particular and plentiful. With the work steps of constant current discharge, constant power discharge, constant resistance discharge, constant current charge, constant voltage charge, constant current and voltage charge, internal resistance test and idle, etc. Professional services since 2005.